Hi, my name is Keith Montoya and I'm a Salesforce administrator. Today I want to walk you through my custom Salesforce Lightning homepage for property management. I designed this for efficiency and easy access. Let me show you what I've done. So as you can see, my custom homepage in Salesforce Lightning is all about efficiency and accessibility. So let's start at the top. I've prominently displayed the name of my property management app, Canyon Culture Property Group. I completed this by using rich text. It's a reminder of what this page is all about, effective property management. Below that, I've added clickable links for Zillow and Rentler. These are two websites I frequently use for property-related information. These links provide me with easy access to essential resources at my fingertips. In the next section, I've integrated the total expenses dashboard, which we discussed in our previous video. This dashboard gives me immediate insights into property expenses, helping me to make informed financial decisions. Moving on, I've dedicated a section to collaboration. Here I've added the Chatter Publisher and Chatter Feed. It's where I can post updates, share information, and collaborate with anybody that I like. In this section, I've organized my properties, contractors, and maintenance companies. By using list views in the object account, I can easily access details about the properties I own and quickly find information about contractors and maintenance companies. It's all about keeping everything organized and readily available for myself. Lastly, I've dedicated a section to my tenants. Using list views and the object contact, I can efficiently manage all my active tenants. It's a critical part of property management, and this section simplifies that process for me. In conclusion, my custom homepage in Salesforce Lightning is the central hub of my property management operations. It's designed for efficiency, collaboration, and quick access to vital resources. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for taking the time with me today to check out my custom Salesforce Lightning homepage for property management. I hope you enjoyed the video and you have a good day. Thanks.